Hello, my name is Steve Milton, and I've been a software developer for about 30 years or so. I've noticed lately that I've had a lot more doctor's appointments than I normally do, and I think it's just a sign of growing older that you have to go to the doctor more, and that it's hard just to keep track of all the different appointments you have and how you have to know which conditions that they're treating you for and the medications that they have you on. And it's just been hard to keep track of it. It's really been a source of stress for me. And I've actually missed appointments because I didn't realize I had it, and then I find out later that I did. So I decided then and there that it was time for me to create some kind of application that would allow me to keep more easily keep track of the appointments that I have, and just to organize my day and just to be more mindful of the things that I have going on. And I'm sure you're saying to yourself, aren't there lots of apps out there that already do this? There are a few, but there are very few that are specifically are for keeping track of your doctor's appointments and the medications and conditions that you have. This app will help you plan your days and know when you have to be at a doctor's appointment, along with the medications that doctors prescribe it for you, and also the condition that he's treating you for. It'll all be in one place. It'll be loaded on your phone, so you can see it anytime you need to. I'm figuring the audience for this will probably be, baby boomers of that age or their caretakers, just so that they can keep track of all the appointments that they have coming up and the medications and conditions these people have. I'm figuring the cost will probably be in about the range of around $5,000 to develop and probably market this. I figure with minor marketing, we should be able to recoup the cost of probably 6 months to be profitable at that. And I figure we'd sell it for around the $4.99 range, something like that. I see this app as being a very important tool for helping people take care of themselves and be aware of all that they have to do. I hope you consider this app and how it can help with that, and that you will be willing to invest in it. Thank you for your time.